Assalamualaikum and hi everyone. My name is Nisha Zana Binti Muhammad Ali. Today, me and my friends are going to explain topic 3.6, which is how to practice using slide elements in PowerPoint. It has 3 subtopics in the chapter. The first one is 3.6.1, which is use smart art graphics features. Okay. The first thing that you need to do is to click insert in a ribbon, and then you will find the smart art graphic. Click smart art graphic and and you can choose different smart graphic that you want. Okay, let's see. For today, I wanted to choose the hierarchy one. Okay, you can choose different hierarchy that you wanted. So let's say I want to choose this one. Okay, click this hierarchy and then click OK, and then the smart graphic will appear. You can edit the size of the smart graphic pictures that you want. Okay, next step, you can fill the information that you wanted. So for example, I wanted to fill the chart organizational. Okay, so the first one is accounting manager, marketing manager, advertising supervisor, Alright, after you fill in the information that you wanted, you can also change the design of the smart art. Okay, you can click the smart design that appear in the above of the PowerPoint, and then you can choose the design that you want. Okay, let's say I wanted this one. Okay, you can also change the colors of the smart graphic. A lot of different colors and design that you can choose. Let's say I wanted to choose this one. Alright. Okay. So that's it. Then your smart graphic features, and then the smart graphic features have done. It's ready to go. Okay. That's all from me. I will pass to Eliana to continue 3.6.2.
Alright, thank you Dini. Hi and Assalamualaikum. My name is Nur Iliana Shayura binti Mat Kaharudin. For the next, I want to show how to use the table elements based on 3.6.2 in page 15. The first and most basic thing is to decide which slide will have a table. Firstly, in the main menu, click Insert and select the table. A small window will appear where you drag the mouse to select how many columns and rows you want in PowerPoint table. For example, I'm drag the 4 columns and 5 rows. Alright, after you ready create the table, click the table you make and you can see the table designs. If you want to change the color of your table, select the table style and which the color and design you want. Type your work in the table. For example, I write the name and month salary in table. And I put the salary in each month and names. Alright, but if you want to make the table difference, you can drag the table and click the effect where you can choose cell bevel, shadows or reflection. For example, I'm choose cell bevel and I take the cross. Next, if you want to add another table, press one of the tables in the bottom column and will come out like this. So click the insert and insert your columns to the left, right, above or below. While if you want to make a color column to show the number of each row, you can click the total row to darken the bottom columns ons. Click first column to darken the first column as an example when waiting to create a class table. And lastly, if you need to create stylish text with effects such as texture, shadows and outline, you can select the word art styles. Alright, so that's all for me. I will give to Kyrene to continue the 3.6.3.
Alright, thank you to Elena Shahira. Hi and Assalamualaikum everyone. My name is Kyrene Shahira binti Sabarudin and I'm going to explain topic 3.6.3, which is use the chart elements. Alright, first thing first, to insert a chart in the PowerPoint, you can click the insert tab in the ribbon and then you have to click the chart button in the illustration button group on the insert tab, and then the insert chart dialog box will open that where you can select the desired chart type that you can choose. For example, I choose the cluster column and subtype to insert. Alright, you can choose to put anything in the data column, such as I choose to put name and salary of mine. Then the chart appears in your presentation and also opens and displays in the chart source data in an Excel worksheet. That's all from me and I will pass to Shafika.
Thank you, Kyrene. Next, let me teach you guys about this, but first of all, let me introduce myself. My name is Nur Shafika binti Muhammad Yusof. So here the continuous 3.6.3. After settling the source data chart, firstly, we need to enter the data that we want to chart. Next, we need to change the program modes, which is the chart tools. Contextual tab appears in the ribbon as we can change the design of chart and color. Other than that, the function in these tabs also can be used to edit and format the chart. For example, we can insert the axis and title and more. Then after we enter the desired data into the chart, the Excel can be closed. The last but not least, to make our presentation more dynamic, this PowerPoint has over 6 new charts that are available, such as Pulse and Whisker, Tree Map, Sunburst, Histogram, Pareto, which is found in the histogram, and the last is Waterfall. I think that's all from us for 3.6.3 about the chart element, and I hope you guys can understand from our presentation and learn more about using slide elements. Thank you.